Kurumzari. The communal atmosphere in Manipur caused by certain people who claim ownership of Kobru and Tangzing, disregarding and disrespecting the mythology and history of the land, has become unbearable that requires appropriate action by the state government. The fact of the matter is that Meetei and Nagas, who are the native indigenous people, can no longer tolerate such obnoxious behavior. WMC has also been observing that this section of people intimidating even the state government not to send the necessary reports to the center as required by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs to initiate the process of examining if the Meitei are indigenous people, and on that basis whether the Meitei should be in the ST list of the Indian Constitution. This is what the saying goes. Yongnal Low Maputan ba. Today, the hard reality is the Meiteis are no longer the rightful citizens of the state of Manipur. The Indian Constitution has not recognized them as native indigenous people, and therefore they cannot enjoy the rights of a citizen in hill areas which constitute more than 90% of the area of Manipur. Therefore, to make the Meitei rightful citizens in their own ancient land, WMC, on behalf of the Meitei people, retaliate its demand to the Manipur government to send the two reports. First, ethnographic, and second, the socio-economic reports of the Meitei to the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, so that the government of India may begin to examine if the Meitei are indigenous people, on the basis of which if the Meitei people could be enlisted in the list of the scheduled tribes of the Indian Constitution. Last but not the least, the Manipur government is requested to take up the matter without any further delay. Thank you.